Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the document and confirming the app supports export or print to PDF. Choose the correct page size and orientation now, because PDF preserves layout. Once done, save a separate copy so you can revert if needed. Make sure images and fonts are embedded or linked correctly. Missing fonts change layout. This first step prevents surprises later and ensures the file you convert is the exact version you want to share. Next, choose export or print depending on your app. If export exists, pick PDF and set options like quality and compatibility. If only print exists, pick a PDF printer such as Save as PDF. Make sure to review compression settings to avoid blurry images and select embed fonts so text remains consistent. Use page range selectors for selective pages and preview the output. These choices control file size, clarity, and compatibility across devices. Finally, name the PDF, choose the destination folder, and click Save. Open the resulting PDF in a reader to verify layout, links, and searchability. If text looks off or images are missing, re-export with fonts embedded and higher image quality, or flatten layers to prevent transparency problems. If links don't work, recheck export settings that preserve hyperlinks. One key troubleshooting tip: when export still fails, print to a virtual PDF printer as an alternate path to produce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.